Hey everybody, welcome back to Irish Wilds. I'm actually at the boot of my car because yesterday we only caught a perch. So hopefully today will be different. So, go. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Oh, hi. Okay, so hopefully we'll catch something today. I'm doubling up on my chances today to actually catch a fish, so I'm going to be using some worms. Yeah. And because we're right next to the river here, it's going to be quite fast flowing river, so I'm going to be using more split shots to try and keep the weight down and keep my worm in place, and hopefully not get snagged up. Use some extra, because I've got 4 on there at the moment. It's not heavy enough, so I'm going to add a little bit more onto it. I'm only going to add another one, so a 5th one will give me some extra casting distance. And I'm going to be using this on this guy. Hopefully there might be some pike there, trying not to snag up the line. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Inception, phone inception. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so I did it smart this time, and I have long trousers on so I don't get attacked by these stinging nettles. Now Rob has the worms. The worms.
Worms there.
Worms. And we're going to be casting out that way, by the looks of it.
I'm casting a bait that way.
Down that way. Over yonder. Just towards where the river actually stops being really fast, basically. Cool. Right, we'll do that then. I'll set myself up, put a worm on and cast out. Okay, since Rob is over there, I'm gonna steal his spot. Because this is where he ended up catching the trout last time on this, so let's see if we're lucky. And I think I just went over his line. I think I just did. Okay, we won't say anything to him, that's okay, nothing happened. There's Rob, if you can't see him, he's right there. He's doing his thing. We're probably gonna catch him a trout, but we'll go down this way. So I'm ahead of both of the lines. And hopefully do it nice and slow. Slow retrieves. Because the river is pretty much doing all of the work for us. It is mossy out here. It's right to summer moss. You're gonna get quite a lot of that. Okay, we'll find out if we got something, because my line has been bouncing apparently. No, I don't think I got anything. Or if there was something on it, it's definitely gone now. No, my worm is still under. I'm going to try and cast a little bit more further out, I guess. There we go. It's right there will do. Fancy here at Irish Wilds. Look at our fancy tripod. It's called a tree. or a bush in this sense. Now, back to spinning. More greens, more greens. Gonna love those greens. Forever picking off greens. Okay, so you could probably call me stupid for not putting on my waders and going out there. Well, I'm just not feeling going into the water and being cold. Comment below, tell me what you think. Am I being really silly? For somebody that got no fish yesterday, I'm either one, being really optimistic and trying to catch a fish here on the banks, or should I be doing what Rob is doing and being out there and actually attempting to actually catch a fish? He's got better chances of actually catching a fish out there than being on the side of the banks here. I'll think about it for a few more minutes. And if I don't get anything in the next couple of minutes, I'll bite the bullet. I'll be out there.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I bit the bullet, put on the waders, as per the people on Instagram saying, yeah, I definitely should do that if I really want to catch a fish. So, your requests is something that I'll do within reason. Within obvious reasons. I thought I'd bring the worms over because we have a nice little platform right here to put the worms on, so we don't have to keep going back and forth to try and catch and use the worms. So yeah, guys, looks like we might actually catch a fish. So we'll put on this worm. Again, if you're squeamish, turn around. Hook it on 3 times. Oop. There we go. Hey, good job. Perch.
Good work.
Nice little perch.
Fire. I sit there with it.
He might underhook himself. You hope. Yeah, I completely forgot that we kind of need to have the pliers as well, just in case.
Goggles got very good.
Well, there he goes. We released him. We released him, that's what matters.
Into the current. That's usually where they are. Into the current.
Yeah. I'm stabbed. That was a free meal for whoever. Or did it snap off the hook? It snapped off the hook. Well, back to shore. Okay, so again, for those that want to learn how to tie a hook on with just a spoon, this one doesn't have an eyelet, as you probably see. Best thing to do is get your main line. Oops, sorry, wrong way around. Get your main line and follow the hook shape. So that's your main line onto your rod, coming up this way. And this is your tag end. So you basically take your tag end, wrap it around, follow the hook shape, hold it like this. And because I'm using braided line, just make sure that you tie this around a good couple of times. I'm using my other hand to try and keep the line straight. So this line to my rod straight. 3, 4, 5. Okay, there should be more than enough. And then that loop that you've created, just put your line through that and just tighten. See? Nice and easy. And then just slide it up towards the spoon. And that's it. He snapped off. Oh, well, aren't you glad that I brought over the hooks?
No, I need to like re-rig my weight and everything down and off.
Oh wait, I might have the split shots as well. Alright, well there you go. There's me thinking that was going to be helpful. What can you do? Some people are never happy. Right, so put on my worm again. And I've explained this a couple of times already on today's video, but again, if you're squeamish, turn around. So it'll only take a couple of seconds. Just make sure that your worm is on there 3 or 4 times. Well, as many as you can, really. And because I'm using a size 10 hook, I can only really put on that worm 3 times. Right, try and catch me a perch. I'm on a fish. Hey, perch! First fish of the day. Oh, and as always, great little hook set, top of the lip. So just grab the bottom lip. And there you go. Hey! So I can actually do a release for you guys. There you go, nice little perch. This is a teachable moment, so I decided to record. This is called the Alberta knot. You get your line that you want to connect in your main line, make a little loop, give yourself loads of line. You get your line that you were trying to connect together, and I'll just cut off this bit. There's no need for it. Right, and get your line, and you get your loop. Put it in like that, through the loop that you created, and spin around a couple of times, depending on the line that you have, whether it's braided or if it's monofilament or fluorocarbon like this one. You'll just need to spin it around 4 times, and then go up the line 4 times. 3, 4. And then go through the loop that you created. You have that tag end and pull. See that? There you go. As soon as it changes that weird color, where it gets slightly darker, that's done. Get your line, and you can cut this as close as you want. Assuming that I don't cut the wrong tag end. There's the tag end. There you go. Put that tag end. And voila! You have a line-to-line connection. People will say use an FG knot, but this is the fastest knot in a pinch. Perch! On a spinner. Ripping lips. Okay, so this time I'm actually going to let him go properly. Whoa, little guy, whoa. There we go. Ow! Ow! Okay. Okay. Calm your tits. Calm your tits. There he goes. And off he goes. Hey!
What? Okay.
It's a roach.
Roach, but somehow I hooked it in the top. Don't even know how I did that. Didn't even know you could do that with fly.
Huh. Well, apparently you can.
Little tiny roach.
Off he goes.
Off he goes.
Yeah.
And he went that way.
Good job. I was on the perch. Alright, go over to him quickly. Woo! Good job.
Gobbled the hook, even though that was on a retrieve, and he gobbled that like that.
Wow. Well, anyway, we're gonna unhook him and then we'll let him go. It's a tench. I think it's a tench. Oh, yeah. Oh no, it's a fucking trout. Jesus. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, just move my line, move it along. Just grab him, Got him. Woo! Yeah. Jesus, he fought hard. Ah! All right, there you go.
Okay, untangle my shit from your rod there.
Oh, I had to get it, man, because otherwise
That was on camera.
yeah.
Good.
That counts. We landed him.
That counts.
Hey.
Gobbled this because I didn't realise he was on there. There's maybe I trying to adjust my rod, figure out what way to put it in the water, already have a fish on. So, nice size perch. Nice size perch. He's kicking off because he's gut hooked pretty badly.
Oh, I wouldn't say he's got hooked. I think he's just got it in his mouth. But we'll let him.
We'll try and get him off anyway.
Hey everybody. Okay, well, we're still going to continue fishing on here at the bridge. So hope you liked this one. So as always, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button.
Don't forget to like my page, RCA Exotics.
Yeah, definitely give them a thumbs up.
If you like exotic animals, tarantulas, snakes, or reptiles, and other crazy animals, check out my channel.
Yeah, definitely. Okay guys, well, as always, see you again.
Bye!